Hello guys, this is Tushariman from ICE Multimedia. Today I am going to show you top 5 entry-level DSLR camera of 2018. So let's get started. Okay, number 5 we have Canon EOS 750D. It has APS-C CMOS sensor with 24.2 megapixel. Lens mount is Canon EF-S. Screen is 3-inch articulate touchscreen display with 1,040,000 dots. Continuous shooting is 5 FPS. Maximum video resolution is 1080p Full HD video. User level beginner. This camera price is $465. Positive side is great touchscreen, Wi-Fi with NFC, and negative side is fixed LCD, limited connectivity. Okay, number 4 we have Nikon D3300. It has APS-C CMOS sensor with 24.2 megapixel. Lens mount is Nikon DX. Screen 3-inch display with 921,000 dots. Continuous shooting speed is 5 FPS and max video resolution is 1080p Full HD video. User level beginner. Its price is $570. Positive side is real image quality and guide mode. Negative side is fixed LCD, limited connectivity. Okay, number 3 we have Nikon D5 600. It has APS-C CMOS sensor with 24.2 megapixel. Lens mount Nikon DX. Screen 3.2-inch articulate touchscreen display with 1,040,000 dots. Continuous shooting speed 5 FPS. Max video resolution 1080p Full HD video. User level beginner. And its price is $650. Positive side is excellent image quality and articulate touchscreen display. Negative side slow live view focusing and snap breeze need to work. Okay, number 2 we have Canon EOS 800D. It has APS-C CMOS sensor with 24.2 megapixel. Lens mount Canon EF-S. Screen 3-inch articulate touchscreen display with 1,040,000 dots. Continuous shooting speed is 6 FPS. Max video resolution 1080p Full HD video. And user level beginner. Price $750. Positive side great touchscreen, excellent sensor, and its negative side is plastic finish and expensive. Okay, number one we have Nikon D3400. It has APS-C CMOS sensor with 24.2 megapixel. Lens mount Nikon DX. Screen 3-inch screen with 921,000 dots. Continuous shooting speed is 5 FPS. Max video resolution 1080p. User level beginner. Price $500. Positive side super B battery life, good single shot autofocus, and negative side is no microphone port, no touch screen. Yeah, that was our short review of top 5 entry-level camera of 2018. Remember, this is not a best camera of number 1 Nikon D3400, but this is best camera for small budget, because this is a entry-level list. So we focus about our price and our budget and our best output from this camera, so we made it. If you like this video, please hit like button, and if you think this might help other, you can share this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching guys. Hope I will see you in the next video.